Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I am coming at you with the mystery reveal for the September mystery. I just want to start off first with I got a lot of questions as to what mystery was shipping because a lot of people were thinking that I didn't ship August yet, but August was the spa one. We just shipped that mid-July because it was ready. Some months, like I said, we will be able to ship them really early. This one would have shipped about a week and a half ago, but there was an issue with the Post-its. They were actually returned to the manufacturer, so I had to wait for them to reship them. So this would have been out like a week, like I said, like a week and a half ago. It's been cut for like 3 weeks, but yeah, so that's the lowdown there. The mystery subscription does charge on the 1st of the month, or if you sign up when new spots open, which is the 13th, it will charge you on that day, and then it won't charge you again till the 1st. The next charge will be the 1st, which will be, I think when you're seeing this video, no, it'll be the next day will be the charge, and then that will ship before the 1st of October, and that will be for October's mystery kit. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's start with the ultimate kit. I already went and opened this so that I could take out the little, shh, it's a secret. And this has a little code with a date and a time, and that is when you can shop the extras. We did have a lot of July extras, so I did open that up after 24 hours to anyone who wanted to purchase it that wasn't subscribed. I don't know if I'm going to be doing that every month, and I honestly don't think that there's going to be that much available every month. So there's that. And I've also decided that I'm going to be bringing the extras to the shop, not the sticker extras, but these extras here, just as they are like extras. So let's go ahead and get into the kit. We always do more extras than we quote by a long haul, so that's always my goal. Let's go ahead and go over the kit. This I wanted to do kind of like a fashion girl brunch with really neutral like mauve tones, which could be used for many different things or just like a random kit that you want to use. So let's go ahead and go through this kit. So I love these full boxes. I love the fashion girls. I actually found a picture of these girls. There's actually I think 2 more girls, but I based the whole kit around the picture I found on Instagram. It just really inspired me with their outfits and just everything and the colors. So you have like a little table set up here with the 2 hands, and then you have the girls holding the bags, the girl showing her nails, and then the 2 girls there. I overall just like super love this kit. I think it's really fun. Neutral, definitely an anytime kit. I could see kind of using this maybe even in like March, like in the beginning of spring. So this is your extra full box page, which I think will be the perfect place to pop this little quote down. I wanted to keep one of the boxes a little bit more neutral, but I mean, you could totally do it here too, but I just wanted to kind of think about that. So you have that, but we'll go over those then. So you get this page here with extra full box, your icons, the patterned boxes, and then you have the ombre hair checklist with the glitter splatter in the background. Same thing on the weeklies, and I love these colors, very soft and neutral. Then you also have some fashion girls here, so you have 3 different fashion girls, different hair, skin tones, body sizes, and then you have the girls down here doing their makeup, the Scribblers, so cute, and again, these colors are divine. So cute, half boxes, little things, and the solid washi, the pattern washi, fancy labels, and the headers, and then I kept the bottom washi fairly neutral and simple, but this kit is so fun. I want to do something just fashion girl, but super, super cute. You do have in the ultimate kit, you get a ton of extras. I think we just quote, as far as extras, I think we just quote the glitter sampler and sticky notes, which we will be switching out the sticky notes, so it'll just be like the glitter sampler and something extra, but I always add like a gazillion things. So let's go ahead and go through those. So you do have the glitter sampler here with the ultimate kit, super pretty. And then you do have a foiled journaling card, which matches. There's also the sticky notes. So you have the flowers, and then you have the checklist, which is so fun. You also have the bows that match. You have the fashion girls, so you have lots of different hair and skin tones available, and I love this outfit. I think she's so chic with her white pants. I'm like into it. And the gray hair, the pink hat, I'm for it. And then you do also have the full box overlays in foil. So these are clear. So you have A Girl Should Be Two Things, Classy and Fabulous, Coco Chanel. And then you have just like a little floral overlay. And then these ones I kept a little bit more plain. So these ones kind of, I mean, really you could use these anytime. But these just have really pretty like splatters, and I love these. So in a really pretty gold. This is the same gold that we use for our gold in shop. So that is everything for the ultimate kit. I am so in love with this kit, a very anytime kit, which I love. And like I said, if you do, if you are subscribed to this, you will get a little ticket that does have the password to shop last month's mystery, which was spa themed. So that is the September mystery. I actually just got January's art for mystery the other day, and I'm almost finished. I started ordering like the post-its and stuff. Then there's also a mini kit. I don't know if I mentioned, but spots will be opening at noon Eastern on the 13th. And if you regret any of these dates, you can just go to scribblesco.com. Sorry if you hear Bennett. He's not having it. Scribblesco.com, and then on the top like little area where it says like shop and stuff, there's a mystery button, and then there's like a little timeline as to like when things charge, when things ship, and when new spots are open. So you have the same full boxes, the same deco page, the same functional sheet, and then you have this sheet here, which is the mini kit sheet, and then you have the bottom washi. And then we also do quote for this one the glitter sampler. We used to just do glitter headers, but we just went ahead and upgraded it to the sampler. And then I also threw in a foiled journaling card. So like I said, well, I didn't mention that the kits don't come to the shop, the like sticker kits themselves, but I will be bringing most likely the sticky notes and the journaling cards and maybe whatever like foil overlays we have left, just because foil is expensive, and to just kind of like put that in the misfit pile is a real shame. And also the journaling cards and the sticky notes and anything that we have manufactured will come to the shop, just because they do have like minimum order quantities of like 250 like increments. So to accommodate more people on the list, we're going to have to go up in those. So I hope that makes sense. But the kits themselves I don't plan to bring to the shop. I think I have like a year increment, so if I want to bring these back like next year and reformat them, I can. But for the most part, they won't be available in the shop. But I feel like most of you guys are subscribed to the mystery. There's so many of you guys, and you guys always give me great feedback on what you guys want to see. I did ask recently on the Facebook group. If you're not in there, I definitely would go join. If you guys want me to switch out anything like the sticky notes and things like that, I know I want to do a foil extra, and I have a foil extra planned through January as far as right now. But that's everything. I hope you guys like this month's mystery. It's definitely one of my favorites, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.